Morning! Kamusta kayong lahat? Are you okay? We're leaving Annecy. Alis na kami sa Annecy ngayon. Nakapak na kami. At diretso kami sa... Where are we going, Lab? Marcel.
Marceli.
Okay. See you there. Pinusod ko na ang aking buhok dahil kawawa naman. Lagi ko siyang pinaplansya these days. So, next na kami. Love.
What up? Look at soaking.
Ito nga pala yung view namin dito bago kami umalis. Tada! Parking! Ayos na ang lahat. We're ready to go. Ang aming journey ay 6 hours this time. Papunta sa Marseille, France. Kinda hot, eh? 22 degree. Wow. Andito na kami sa place. Ayun yung Airbnb namin sa taas, oh. Castle. Let's go and see. So, dito kami sa location. Ang kaso, walang signal yung phone ni Pao. So, wala kami internet. Hindi kami makasure. And I don't know kung nagsasalita ng English yung mga people dito. So, we will try. Hi. Bonjour. This is an Airbnb.
Hotel?
Yes, there is a booking here.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
So up you can enter. Up. And here it is.
Okay. So, andito na kami ngayon sa room. Hindi namin in-expect na kasama pala sa bahay. So, titira kami ngayon 2 araw kasama nila. And, ngayon naman, kain kami muna ni Pao. Bumili kami ng chicken sa nadaanan namin na store. So, kain muna kami kasi gutom na kami. Haba ng journey namin today, 6 hours. So, pinag-usapan namin ni Pao kanina na ito yung kakaiba na napuntahan namin na Airbnb, totally different sa normally. Kasi hindi kami sanay mag-share ng room sa hindi namin kakilala. Ito yung first time at 2 days kami dito. 2 days. Hindi kasi pinakita ng booking. Sa booking kami nag-rent. At hindi pinakita ng booking. Doon siya lumabas. Airbnb pala to. So, parang naano ba kami? Naloko kasi akala namin pa hotel siya. Hindi pala. Ang ano pala niya is Airbnb. So, wala na kaming choice. Let's go eat, love. Good morning, everyone. Umuulan ngayon. Papunta kami ng Marcel. So, ito yung first day namin dito. At nakakatakot ang mga review na nabasa namin tungkol sa parking sa Marcel. So, kinakabahan kami papunta doon kasi may dala kami sasakay. Anyway, kinda normal here sa mga tourist area. Kahit sa Spain. So, you have to be careful. You have the key, love, no? How to do this, love? You have to key. Makakaputi ko ngayon kasi maulan. Kasang ulan. Ang calm dito sa lugar na to. Very, very calm. Walang ganyang tao sa labas ng street to. Nalalak lang ni po yung pinto ngayon. Miss na kami. Okay, love, let's run. You don't have a... So strong rain. So, papunta na kami ngayon ni Pao sa parking. Binook ni Pao yung, tawag dito, private na parking na hindi ka makakapag-enter there, makapag-enter there kapag wala kang book, wala kang reservation. So, binook yun ni Pao kasi mas safe doon kaysa mag-park sa mga malapit na parking sa city. Mas safe dito kahit na maglakad kami ng konti. Kasi kung alam nyo, sa Europe, well, mostly dito sa France, sa Spain, Italy, yan. Sa mga tourist area, maraming thieves. Yes, maraming thieves na umaaligid. At not all Europe, dito lang mostly sa mga country na to. France, Italy, and Spain kasi overflowing ngayon ng mga tourist. At mas maraming thieves kapag ganon. So, hindi ibig sabihin na nasa Europe ay safe ka na. Kailangan mo pa rin ingatan ang gamit mo. So, itong parking na to hinanap namin at mahal siya compared sa other parking space. Parking na basta mas mahal siya sa compared sa ibang parking, but safe kasi hindi basta-basta makakapag-enter yung mga people na gustong magnakaw ng mga gamit ng iba. At ang parking na binayaran ni Pao for the whole day ay 25 euro for the whole day. So andito na tayo sa Marcel, isa sa biggest city dito sa France. That's it. Punta tayo sa Le Marcelis. So, nagro-room lang kami ni Pao sa city ng Marcel. At I don't know why, but Madrid kinda mas naramdaman kong safe kaysa rito. I don't know, hindi lang ako sanay siguro. So, dito yung public transportation nila ay may tram man sila sa taas ng kalye. Papunta tayo ngayon sa city center. So, ito yung view ng sa lake. Yan. So, medyo may amoy oil. Siguro dahil maraming yacht. Hindi clear yung water, but it's normal. Kahit sa Italy, Venice, ganyan yung kulay ng water. Parang yung ilog lang sa atin, yung kulay. Ay, mga tourist ang nagpapapicture dito. Yeah.
Going to put on
Instagram. Yeah. So, maraming nagpapapicture na turista man dito. Oof! Sasarado ang mga shop. Kala ko Pilipina, hindi pala. Many Spanish people also here, eh?
Getting closer to Spain, huh?
Okay, andito tayo sa mga restaurant area at mga seafood ang kanilang binibenta. May mga souvenirs. Buti na lang nagdala kami ng tigisang payong ni Pao kasi walang tigil ang ulan. Umulan, umulan, hindi.
Yeah, okay, let's go. We'll see where to go next.
Yeah. Oh, there is a... Medyo masakit ang ulo ko ngayon. Siguro dahil nasusobrahan ako sa kakabiyahe. This time kasi medyo mabilisan ang pagbiyahin namin ni Pao compared last year. Kasi dati nag 2 days kami, 3 days sa isang bansa. Ngayon, halos, nagwa 1 week kami, ganun. Ngayon, halos 2 days lang. So, masakit siya sa ulo. Yung pinaka-rope. Sa museo, no? Like in Toledo, where we went before.
Yeah, or like
In Lithuania. Memorial of Deportista. Deportasyon.
Looks close, but looks nice.
Right. Papunta na kami dito sa likod ng church na to. Isa man itong landmark. At nakikita niyo super many people.
From here, picture?
Yeah.
Or left other side? You
Yeah,
can go
that
to our restaurant from other side.
Tingnan niyo yung view natin. Very beautiful. Many people taking picture also here. Kumain na kami ni Pao kumain ako ng biryani, butter chicken. Not biryani, butter chicken with rice.
Chicken.
And Pao eat samosa meat. And now, we're full. Diretso na uli kami sa aming destinasyon. Look at the cow here.
On the barrels with the sticks.
What is this symbol? Yeah. And also there's a lion. Ang daming rito. Calligraphy. Graffiti. Calligraphy. Graffiti pala. Hindi sa street na to. Anyway, papunta na kami ngayon sa castle. Naglalakad-lakad ngayon lang kami sa city. Still umaambon pa rin. Hanggang alas 5 daw ganito yung weather. So, cannot help. Yung castle na pupuntahan namin ay ayun. Yung castle, kita nyo ba? Ayun, sundot. So, malayo-layo yung lakaran to, ah. Hmm?
What?
It's a very long walk until there.
Very long walk.
So, para umakyat doon, kailangan natin pumanik doon sa taas ang haba ng exercise. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm gonna cry. Also
It's
like
like
a
in
baby.
Brazil, see different color.
I don't want to go up no more.
Crying baby.
I'm tired.
Sometimes really feel I'm with a granny.
Can we sit down?
On the what stairs? Will someone pee on it?
Malapit na yung palace. Dito na kami.
Separated.
Separated by the distance, love. Hoy, follow me. Faster. Faster, run. Dito na kami ni Pao sa tuktok. At pag napagod kami, ang daming tao sa likod, no? So, ito yung pinaka-rooftop view dito sa taas. And, yep, ang daming tao dito. Super. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura, okay? Somehow look like Barcelona.
Many red roofs, like in
Majority. Dito sa gawi dito, hindi umuulan. Pero dito kita nyo, super dilim. Doon ang umuulan. Pakita ko sa inyo ng closely. Ayan, sobrang ulan dyan. Kita nyo, super dilim. Ulan yan. At dito sa kabila, oh, maraw. San si Pao? Ayun si Pao. Busy. Pababa na kami ni Pao. At medyo gumaganda na ang weather. Okay na ako. Kanina, mapapansin nyo sa mga previous video, mukha akong pagod na pagod kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. Pero ngayon, okay na ako. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Nagpahinga kami ng 1 hour dun sa loob habang nagta-thunder ba dito sa labas. And now, I'm okay. Thank you, Lord. Public market.
nice.
It's more here.
Nice. Let's go straight.
Ito yung public market nila rito. Oh, nakita namin.
Straight in there.
Look, Hero, look at the... What is that? Looks nice. Why we have to eat, love? Look nice, that bread, oh.
Why we eat in bullshit tourist area?
Right?
Tourist trap.
Hey, that one looks nice, oh. This is like a public in... This is, wait, tingnan nyo, oh. This is like a... This is like a Philippines. This is how the public market looks like. Yeah.
Kind of so.
Ganito yung public market sa atin, no? Dumi, char. I mean, sa amin. Di naman sa lahat. But like public market, oh my. Even the smell that. It's the smell of Philippines. That's the smell of the Philippines.
Many spices.
Yeah, because when you come inside the Philippines, you have many spices. Look, oh, they have many things here. The Indian store. Look, they have here malunggay, vegetable of Filipino love. Oh, they also have this. My, they have more variety than Austria. Ay, they even have this Filipino. The heck? They're friendly with the cats here, eh? Hi, what's the baby? It's a mother cat with the... Look at the baby cat. It's very big. There is a feeding cat there.
My, the baby cat bigger than mother.
The heck? The baby cat is bigger than the mother. Mayo, ang dami bang mga store. Wala, it's sarili. Let's go. Let's go, we have to go out of here. Let's get out of here, love. Get out of here. It's scary. Let's get out of here. There's many scary people here. Madali kami kanina kasi may mga tao na lang biglang sumisit-sit. So parang public market nga. Public market ka. This is public market. How do we react? So andito na kami sa car ni Pao. Andito na kami sa sasakyan at safe ang sasakyan. Walang basag na ano. Maybe nag-over OA lang kami ni Pao. OA love.
Okay.
Yeah, we were OA, right?
Yeah, maybe overreacting.
Overreacting so much that something was not right. Okay, so
Lidl always have a parking, that's why I like Lidl.
so kain lang kami ng wrap, bumili kami ng wrap, nakita namin ni Pao. Uy, love, you have more. You have a meat
It's mine.
in the
It's mine. That's it. It's mine.
and I have shrimp.
It's mine. No, I will not share.
Found it.
Don't have a connection.
Let's eat it. What you thinking, love?
Watching the car. Okay, our company car and the parked car. Oh yeah, that's right.
Muy bien.